And here it is. It's the Lego car for a wheel. Now, I think this is the back view. Big chunky wheels. Even so, the bumper. If you'd like to see a close range, the wheels are close range. And I think you're wondering, what is this thing for? Well, this has a clever part. Look. So is the wheels. See how clever it is? So, you can do it like this, but it's very annoying. So here it is, the car.